Welcome to Blackstone Baking with Chef Sherry Ronning. Do you want to learn how to make this layered Boston cream cake that's made right on the Blackstone Griddle? Join me and I will show you step by step how to make this awesome creation. Add the cake mix, eggs, oil, and water to a bowl. Stir to combine. Create the cake layers using a greased parchment paper and a griddle omelet ring, 2 number 20 scoops of cake batter, and an offset spatula to spread the cake batter into an even layer. Transfer the prepared cake layers to the griddle set on the lowest heat setting. Cover with a dome lid. Bake until the layers are golden brown and done on the top. Remove from the griddle to cool. Prepare the filling. Add the pudding mix and milk to a bowl. Mix to combine. Add the Cool Whip and stir together. Let's assemble the Blackstone 10-layer Boston cream cake. Start by taking your layers that you have already pre-cooked. Lay the first layer down. We have the filling made. We're going to scoop some filling on the top. And then we're just going to spread the filling an even layer across. And you're going to keep on doing this until you built your cake. Let's make some ganache topping for the top of the cake. We're going to add the cream to the pan, and we're just going to let the cream heat up, and then we're going to add the chocolate chips to it. Mix it all together, let it melt, and then we're going to pour it over the top of the cake. You want the perfect consistency for the chocolate. You don't want it too runny, but then you don't want it too thick. You want it to be able to drip just down the sides of the cake here. And so you're going to start in the center and work your way around, and then you're going to let it just drip down the cake. Use an offset spatula like this to just help it drip at certain spots, just like that. Look how beautiful that looks. Want the nice little drip. Look how it's dripping. That's exactly how you want it to drip. There you go. That's how you make a layered Boston cream cake on the Blackstone Griddle.